Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Dollar Car Rental, one of the long-standing names in the global car rental space. If you've ever needed an affordable car rental at the airport or for a road trip, chances are that you've come across Dollar. But how does it stack up in 2025 in terms of service, pricing, and reliability? Let's find out. Dollar Car Rental is an American-based car rental company that's been around since 1965. It's now part of the Hertz Corporation, which also owns brands like Thrifty and Hertz itself. That means when you rent from Dollar, you're benefiting from a large global network, shared resources, and often the same fleet quality that you would find at Hertz, just at a lower price point. Dollar has positioned itself as a budget-friendly car rental service that doesn't compromise too much on quality. It's ideal for travelers who want affordable daily rates without the stripped-down experience you might get from ultra-low-cost providers. You find Dollar Car Rental in over 600 locations worldwide, with very strong coverage across North America, Europe, and select parts of the Middle East, Latin America, and Asia. Their airport locations make them especially popular among business travelers, vacationers, and families looking for convenience and value. So now let us talk about the main features of Dollar Car Rental. Wide vehicle selection. Dollar offers a large fleet of vehicles ranging from compact cars and sedans to SUVs, minivans, and premium vehicles. Whether you're renting for a quick business trip, a family vacation, or a long road trip, you can usually find a vehicle class that really fits your needs and budgets. Airport convenience. Most Dollar Car Rental branches are located right at or near major airports. This makes pickup and drop-off incredibly convenient, especially if you're traveling internationally or have connecting flights. Dollar Express Reward Program. If you rent cars frequently, this loyalty program is a great bonus. Members enjoy faster checkout, they skip the counter privileges, and can also earn free rental days. It is free to sign up and join, and it's usually simple to do this through their website or their app. User-friendly online booking. Dollar's website and mobile app makes it easy to reserve, modify, or cancel bookings. The interface shows all the fees and extras upfront, so there are no nasty surprises when you arrive at the counter. Flexible payment options as well. You can choose to pay now for the discounted rates or pay later for more flexibility. The pay later option is great for certain travel plans since it often comes with free cancellation. Optional add-ons. They offer several extras like GPS navigation, child seats, toll passes, and additional driver options. And they have an international reach with local supports. Because of their partnership under the Hertz Group, Dollar customers benefit from a global network. If you're renting in another country, it's easy to find supports, it's easy to find replacement cars or even customer assistance if something goes wrong. Now let us talk about the pricing. Dollar is known for its competitive pricing, especially compared to bigger names like Hertz or Avis. It is believed that on average, you're expected to pay around $35 to $60 per day for standard vehicles, depending on the location, the season, and the rental duration. And from time to time, they often run seasonal promotions, weekend specials, and discounts for prepayments. So it's worth checking their deals section from time to time before you book. What are the pros and cons of using the Dollar Car Rental? First, we talk about the pros. Affordable rates. Dollar offers some of the lowest prices among major car rental brands, making it ideal for travelers on a budget. Convenient locations. With strong airport coverage and urban offices, it's easy to find a Dollar branch wherever you are traveling. The rewards program is also a great one. It adds great value for frequent renters. The user-friendly website and app is also great because it's simple, transparent, and fast. Their digital platforms have really improved a lot in the years. Now on the cons side, extra fees. Like most rental companies, additional add-ons and insurance can quickly increase the cost. And there have been some mixed customer service reviews based on the location, so sometimes the experiences are inconsistent depending on the location you're renting from. Having considered all of this, is Dollar Car Rental worth it in 2025? Well, absolutely. If you're looking for a trusted, affordable, and convenient rental service, Dollar continues to be a solid option. It bridges that perfect middle ground between cost and quality. You get the reliability of a major brand, competitive pricing, and straightforward booking process, without unnecessary complications. The rewards program and wide vehicle selection make it a practical choice for both frequent travelers and occasional renters. While customer service can vary slightly depending on the location, the overall experience, especially at the airport branches, is smooth and efficient. So, if you're planning a trip this year, Dollar Car Rental remains one of the best budget-friendly car rental services in 2025, especially for short-term rentals and airport pickups. And that's it on the review of Dollar. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Hertz Car Rental, Enterprise Rent-A-Car, and Thrifty Car Rental. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.